The LG V20 user here. Today I'm doing a video about the Essential phone. So I'm on PhoneRunner.com here. So it says here, Essential phone to get Android Q next year. So if you guys own the Essential phone, you guys will get Android Q next year. So that is pretty damn cool if you guys own the Essential phone. So that's the phone right there. The phone looks very nice in my opinion. I think it has pretty good specs on it. And I think it's the best phone that has a notch on in my opinion. That's just my opinion, guys. So Google Glass, check this out. And yeah. Oops, I'm going way too down there. This is back in May. The Essential phone sequel was cancelled after word got out about poor sales of the OG model. But Essential continued supporting the phone when Android 9 Pie was released last month. Essential phone users got it almost at the same time that Pixel users were able to install the latest Android build. And the company continues to host monthly rated AMAs, the latest of which was hosted today by the company's CTO, a software program manager, and a quality engineer. That's pretty cool. The AMA revealed that yes, the Essential phone will receive Android Q next year. That is good news for owners of the device. However, Android Q will be the last major Android update for the phone, although it will continue to receive security patches through August 2019. So, that right there, guys, as you guys can probably tell by that second paragraph, the Essential phone will be Android Q in 2019, of course. The Android Q will be the last OS update for the Essential phone. So it won't get R or nothing like that. So it will be Android 10 Q. So I think Android Q will be Android 10. So yeah, so it has Pie right now. So that's cool. It's gonna get Android Q next year, and Android Q is its last OS update for the Essential phone. But it should still receive security updates through August 2019. Alright. The Essential phone came out in 2017. Came out last year. It came with Nougat, I believe it was. Came with Nougat. Or I think it came with Nougat, didn't it? I think it did. I think it came with Nougat last year, and now it has Pie, and now it's gonna get Q next year. So that's pretty damn cool. So the Essential phone will get 3 major OS updates. So that's pretty fucking good for a phone like that, alright? Says the company also announced that audio adapter HD announced in June is now in the final certification stage with the FCC. Once that has completed, Essential will release information on pricing and availability. The module adds a headphone jack and an MQA supported DAC to provide one of the vast mobile audio experiences available. While the Essential phone does run Android 9 Pie, Essential isn't sure that it will be able to offer Google's digital well-being app. The latter monitors how long a person uses his/her Android headset every day and which apps are being used the most. Digital well-being can allow users to have their screen turned to grayscale after a certain amount of time in order to deter them from getting addicted to their handsets or certain apps. Essential isn't sure whether Google will make digital well-being available to non-Pixel devices once the feature is rolled out of beta. So, like I said, the Essential phone has Android 9.0 Pie right now, and it does not have the digital well-being app from Google. Does not have that yet, and Essential don't know if will be if they don't know if it will be available for the Essential phone. They don't know yet. And it also says that Essential isn't sure whether Google will make digital well-being available to non-Pixel devices like the Essential phone or anything like that. So right now the digital well-being app is currently available on Pixel devices running Pi right now. So yeah. Essential also said that there will be no update that adds a panorama mode for the camera. That might disappoint some users, but the notch settings that it removed with the update to Android 9 Pie will return when the October Android security update is sent out to the PH1. There are 3 notch settings, including essential, recommended, which uses settings made by Essential for the notch on an app-by-app basis. The don't use notch area and landscape setting when enabled means that the area under the notch is not used when the phone is in landscape orientation, and the setting marked always use notch area allows the area by the notch to be used in either portrait or landscape orientations. Alright. So basically, guys, basically what this is that if you guys own the Essential phone, or if you guys think about getting the Essential phone will be Android Q in 2019. The Android Q will be the last OS update for the Essential phone. So not too bad. I mean, the Essential phone will have gotten 3 major OS updates. That is unheard of. That's unheard of, because usually, if you're lucky, if you have a flagship phone for a while, you're lucky if you get 2 OS updates. You're lucky if you get 2 OS updates. You're lucky if you get 2 of them. You're lucky. And so yeah, that's it. Let's see. I'm curious to see what people say about Reddit. Let's see if there's anything on there. Why not? If you guys want to check out this Reddit post, it'll be in the description box as well. This is monthly AMA with the Essential team. So basically, people are asking questions and stuff like that. So if you guys want to check this out, the link to this will be in the description box of this video. So yeah, you know, as you guys saw, that if you guys check it out for yourselves, there's some people on there that are excited about Android Q on the Essential phone, which, I mean, that's pretty surprising, because usually you're lucky if you get 2 OS updates on the flagship phone. You're lucky if you get 2. You're lucky if you get 2. The Essential phone, when it's all said and done with the updates for good, it would have gotten 3 major OS updates, and that's unheard of. The Essential phone runs stock Android. Of course, it doesn't have no skin or nothing like that. It runs stock Android and stuff like that, so that's pretty nice. You know what I'm saying? The notch on it is not that bad. I think it's the best one with the notch on it, in my personal opinion. Even though I don't like the notch at all, but I still think that the Essential phone is the best one with that notch. And so if you guys got the Essential phone, man, y'all guys are getting Android Q in 2019. What do you guys think the Android Q will be called? I would like to know your thoughts about that. What do you guys think the Android Q will be called? Because since Pi has been released already, we should be thinking about what Android Q should be. It's a mystery now. Obviously, it's a mystery. It's gonna be a mystery for a long while until Google announces the name for Android Q in 2019. What do you guys think Android Q will be called? I don't know what it's gonna be called. I'll be honest with you. I would like to know what you guys think Android Q will be called, and we can chop it up in the comments about this and see what the next OS will be called. I'm curious to know what y'all's guys' opinions are about that. I do know that it's gonna be Android 10 Q. I know that for a fact. I am 100% sure that Android Q will be Android 10. So I am confident about the next OS update will be Android 10Q. So yeah, if you guys got the Essential Fund, like I said, you guys will be getting Android Q in 2019, and you guys should still receive security updates through August 2019. And Android Q will be the last major OS update for the Essential phone. So if you guys got that phone, hang on to it. I mean, if you guys think about getting an Essential phone, I mean, get one. It's a nice looking phone. It has pretty good specs on it. I mean, you know, check out the Essential phone if you guys are interested. It's getting Q in 2019. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, man, shout out to Essential for this, man, because like I said, after it's all said and done with the updates for this phone, the Essential phone would have gotten 3 OS updates, and that is unheard of for a phone. You're lucky if you're lucky if you get 2 OS updates on a flagship phone. You're lucky if you get fucking 2 OS updates. The Essential phone will have 3 by the time it's all said and done with updates, you know, in terms of the updates and stuff like that. So shout out to Essential for that. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.